Does sex matter in a relationship? Aminin nyo yan, may mga mag-asawa na parang maitawid lang. Para sa akin, it matters. Kasi yan yung luxury na meron kayo, lalo na kung kasal kayo. It's a gift na inaalaw, yan of course, lalo na kung meron na kayong blessing of marriage. Pero more than that, I think it's important na meron kayong understanding with your partner. How to maintain it. Hindi lang magaganon kayo, it matters na. It doesn't only matter when you do it. It matters when you both feel that you want to do it. Aminin nyo yan, may mga mag-asawa na parang maitawid lang. Sometimes, para sa akin, yan, nagiging factor sa iba yung gano'ng kadalas o kaya maraming beses nyo ba ginagawa or may ganun pa ba kayo at all. Ang importante is you try to maintain, to discover with each other, with your partner. How do you want to do it or when do you want to do it? Para at least it helps to strengthen your bond. Iba't iba ang tao, may limitations kayo sa ganyang bagay. May mga tao din naman na sobrang lawak ng limitation or ng perspective sa ganyang bagay. Pero ang mahalaga, if you're open with your partner about it and you discover yourself with your partner on how to maintain it with your partner, yun yung mahalaga.